if you're facing a problem like this, you apply an effect and it says this effect requires GPU acceleration, then just go to Files, Project Settings, General, and here you can see this renderer. You have to change this from Mercury Payback Engine software only to GPU acceleration, but as you can see I have an option that. So if you are having the same problem as mine, then open a browser, go to NVIDIA, go to Developer, CUDA, and now download now, and then select all the things, Windows 64 10 exe, and download it. And here I have already downloaded it, and now just install, and now it will open something like this and it will do its thing. Now this thing will open. You just have to again continue, do the express one, next, understand, next, preparing for installation, and install, then finish. Once it's done, you're done. Next, and leave this as it is, and now close. And now you can see the same effect is working just fine now. See? And yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, and it is showing both the options right now. So yeah, it's done. Congrats. Now go edit your videos.